Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Welcome to the Wanderbus. We're building again today. Come check it out. Today's video is going to be a long one. It's all about the power system. Started out doing the external outlet, feeding all the wires in, putting them through this panel and boxing out the electrical area. Pretty nice looking. Added one more panel to kind of separate off the garage area and started running a wire. Using these wire ends and a crimper. This is the main input from shore power. Next, I started working on the electrical switchboard. This little box should allow me to switch between shore power and inverter power automatically. Really nice little box. Taking my time here. I ended up swapping the wires later, but you'll see. Looking nice. And that was the first section done. We had power and it was from shore. Started adding another circuit for the inside. Nice little splice for my battery charger.
All right,
and the look here is pretty nice. Some things are going to change as the video goes along though. That's the battery charger hooked up. Next I started fabricating battery cables. Crimping on the ends. Looking good. And I did heat shrink on these. Probably should have done that on all the wire ends, but oh well. Here's a battery shutoff switch I added everything to. Super clean, looking good, love it. Did the same thing with the negative terminals. And that's the battery hooked up to the inverter. Inverter's hooked up, but I don't have enough voltage in the battery. Started framing out the wall separating the bathroom area, running all of the 12-volt cables. I did this on most of my positive terminals, some non-aux. And I installed the MPPT charger for the solar instead of that DC to DC. Doing some fabrication on those 12-volt switches. Just extending the wires with a little splice. Looking good there. And putting the switch on. Fancy little switch. Love it. Both switches are wired up. Looking good. Now it's time to mount the solar. So here I am fabricating some aluminum bar to use to mount the solar system. Using some Loctite on these bolts and nuts, making sure that the solar stays mounted well. Got all 4 brackets on there, looking super nice. Screwing down that aluminum bar and mounting the solar nice and proper. I used a ton of caulking to weatherize. We can see here that the charge controller is getting power. Don't mind my mess with cables, I'll clean that up later. And it's a wonder we have power in the bus. It's pretty awesome. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you on the next one.